So hello guys, for today's vlog is all about kimchi making. So ito muna, pinaka first step is we need to wash the fresh na po cabbage. And need to thoroughly wash this one kasi this is for consumption. So paling ginamit ko dito is yung fresh na cabbage para masarap siya talaga siya. Super crunchy yung kimchi natin mamaya. And then we need to cut in our desired preference, mga sizes. Kung gusto nyo buo, pwede rin. Pero mas gusto namin kasi yung nakat na para diretso. Para hindi na gunting-guntingin mamaya. Tapos pupudpuran namin ng asin later. And then we need to soak in the salt for around 15 minutes hanggang lumambot siya. Magagatang ka diba sa atusukan tapos ano So next is yung radish. Kakat namin to like strips para mas malinis siya guys. Ganito lang. Tapos onion naman. We're going to blend it later together with the apple, garlic, and onion. Dapat para maging may juice. Maging juice.
More pa yan. Ako naman. Ilang beses pa. Iba pa rin yung chili powder. Sinasabi ko. Tapos raman na, hindi sikan ready ko ang balance raman na.
So, eto guys, just mix yung mga ingredients kanina na nag-grate natin. Mga binlend, onion, chives, garlic, and everything except for the cabbage. Chili powder, andito na rin sugar, and yun yung mga, in-grate na apple. So, tadan, ito na yung almost very spicy kasi Thailand chili yung linagay namin kasi walang Korea chili. So, super spicy siya. Pero masarap siya guys. Masarap iulam. Masarap na paglalagay mo sa soup. Beef with tofu soup. Yummy! Ganito guys. So, pag super na siya, pwede na mabalik-balik po. Pwede na.
Nakapsot mo ka, di ba?
So, ito guys, balikan na natin yung cabbage kanina. So, almost malambot na siya. So, we need to wash para ma-take out yung asin kasi super salty siya pag hindi hinugasan. So, mga 2 to 3 rinse lang ang kailangan. Matanggal lang yung asin kasi binabad namin ito sa asin for 15 minutes. So, we need to squeeze para matanggal yung excess water para hindi masyado matubig yung kimchi natin later. So, ganito lang guys. Medyo matrabaho siya. More work, pero it's yummy. Now, mekos-mekos na natin. Let's mix it all together. Ito na, lastly, we added ang kimchi. Ito yung galing sa binabad namin sa asin na kimchi. So, ito na yun guys. Bali, ang ginamit lang namin is 1 napa cabbage. 1 big cabbage na ito. Ito na yung pinaka almost final result nito. And later, itatabi namin to, ilalagay sa isang container and we're going to put outside. Ilapag lang sa sahig or basta sa medyo madilim at malamig na lugar around 2 to 3 days. I-store natin ng 2 o hanggang 3 araw para hanggang maamoy-amoy mo na yung kimchi talaga. And after that, we need to put back in the fridge. And that's it. Meron ka ng kimchi for a week. ito na guys, yung final niya. Nalipat na namin sa maliliit na container para pag na-open yung isa lang yung open. And then later, we're gonna put somewhere na medyo madilim at saka dapat dun sa ilalabag talaga sa tiles para malamig siya guys. And then, like 2 to 3 days, we need to put outside. After 3 days, then it's ready to eat. And then, we're going to store in a fridge for a week for consumption na yun guys. So,
yung finish, may apple choppings. Tapos i-store na namin siya. Ito tinola ng hongko. O, diba? The cooked tinola. It looks yummy with papaya. Pinahingilan mo yung papaya dito. Pinoy style tayo ngayon. This is our tinola. This is our dinner for tonight. Pechay ng Hong Kong. And syempre, ito yung luto ka signature beef sukiyaki with in pepper with Korean sauce. It's really, really yummy. Favorite ng mga alaga ko ito guys. Na-master ko na itong lupain. So, kain na tayo guys. Ciao! It's pork chop with mushroom in sweet and sour sauce. And this is the trisam, the very famous vegetable here in Hong Kong. Okay, this is our dinner for tonight. Pininyahang manok chicken with pineapple. And I add some veggies, broccoli. This is mixed veggies with oyster sauce. That's it, guys. Pinakbet ng Hong Kong. It's my own version. Let's eat. Ito din ulam na today. Pork and biscuit on salmon. And of course, mixed veggies. Okay. Here's our lunch for today. My chicken adobo style, and of course cauliflower with garlic. Okay, let's eat. Ciao. Looks really delicious. So ito ang masarap na adobo, bibingka, or cassava cake, maha, and of course the pancit and kuchinta. Masarap po.